Okay. Okay, today we've got this UHF 4-bay bow tie antenna. It's made by Antenna Direct. We got it off of Amazon. We're gonna hook this up in conjunction with the Channel Master 16 dB gain preamplifier, which we're gonna use with this. So we're gonna open this up and see what's involved in assembly. Stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna take this out of the box and see what's involved. That looks like everything. Okay, got the hardware and the antenna, and we're going to assemble this. There's all the parts here. We'll just lay them all out. Put them there so we don't lose it. Got their U-clamps, a boot for the cable, and the extenders to lift this up off of here. All right, we're just gonna go in and get a screwdriver. Looks like all we need is a simple screwdriver, and we'll assemble it. Coming up. Okay, so let's take this apart. This is just to protect it in the shipping. And this obviously goes this way. And here's our mounting hardware. Looks like we got all the pieces here. And we'll just put this together. And let's get going. Okay, let's start putting this together. So we take this spacer, we're going to feed it through the whole spacer. We're going to feed it through hole here. One at a time. Okay, that's through. The lock washer on. Nut. I'm not going to tighten it down until we get both sides done. Lock washer and nut. Let's put this on. Then we're going to get a wrench or a nut driver and just tighten these down. What you see is pretty simple assembly, and your coaxial gets connected here. That'll connect to our amplifier. So we'll get a nut driver and we'll just tighten it up. Be right back. Alright, gonna use an adjustable wrench on this one and just tighten it up. Not too tight, I just want to snug it. That should be good. And the U-clamp, and the bolts for that. And this is tie down for the cable. And we'll put this together. And when we put it up on the mast, we'll mount this up and hook it up to the amplifier. And that'll be on the next video. So stay tuned for the next one. But there you go. We're going to see how good this is. The best way to get some free HD TV. This is only good for the UHF channel, so we'll have to get another antenna for VHF. But we're going to give it a go, and stay tuned for the follow-up on the installation and testing. Thanks for watching. But wait, there's more. Just for the other people, this is where you mount for your bracket for your antenna. It goes under this bracket. Just to add this, just to make sure everybody knows how it goes. And that's the way it goes. And you just put the nuts on. So you mount it to your mast. Just want to make sure we get it clear so everybody doesn't say, hey, how you mount this to your mast? Tighten it up. Clamp. Put on your wing nuts. This way I won't lose them. And that's how we hook it up to your mast. Very simple. Very nicely designed. I like it. That's it. That's the whole thing. Takes about 10 minutes to put it together or less. Thanks for watching that little addition.